Good Sunday morning! What are we having for breakfast? I think we're having Wheaties and ice cream. I'm 67 3/4 years old, and I've never tried Wheaties. Maybe because I've never felt like I'm an athlete. And I'm looking for recipes and I see these pictures from 1956. Betty Crocker, a bowl of Wheaties with strawberries and strawberry ice cream for those hot summer days. I think we're in those hot summer days with climate change. I think we need a bowl of Wheaties and ice cream. The ingredient list is really minimal. That's a good thing. The bad thing is, there are 32 grams of carbs without the ice cream. I'm just saying. Let's open her up. I have never tried Wheaties. All right. Now this cardboard feels a little bit stronger than my Total, as I normally eat Total. Probably bad for you because it's got all those fake vitamins. Does it open easy? It does. So there's sugar and honey in this. I hate honey. Maybe it doesn't taste like honey though. Let's try one without anything. Huh, that tastes pretty good. How much fiber? Dietary fiber. Is that 15%? 15% fiber. Pretty straightforward. Cereal, strawberries, ice cream. What better way to try a new cereal? The flakes look good. Set the box down. We're all set up. Got our pre-sliced strawberries. It looks like there are 6 or 7 in the ad. 2, 3. Yeah, 6. We'll do 6. 6 is nice. Those hot summer mornings, man. Get the milk coming up above the... It's got to show above the flakes a little bit. Okay. Ice cream. Oh, somebody snuck some yesterday. Oh, nice and soft. And boop! 1956. This is what kids were eating on those hot summer mornings. I've never tried Wheaties, so let's try some Wheaties with milk first. That's pleasant. I could eat that. It doesn't taste very sweet, even though there is sugar and honey. And I don't taste the honey, which is good because you know, when I was a kid, I liked honey. But I don't like honey anymore. All right, what do? We just take some ice cream and a strawberry. All right, let's do it, man. Wheaties and ice cream. Okay. Strawberries have to be cut smaller. I cut them this way because of the ad. That was tasty. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's yummy. That's yummy. Why wouldn't it be? Oh, my dad would have loved this. My dad loved ice cream. Cake and ice cream was his thing. Boy, he would have loved this. Gosh. Oh, I would have loved to have shared this with him. Wow. Could you ever see an ad like that today with the obesity epidemic? But I gotta tell you, it's kind of fun. Cereal, Wheaties with ice cream. It's been very hot down here. Wow. Let's get a piece of strawberry. There you go. Wow. I like it. What fun. And Betty Crocker put her name to this. That's pretty wild, really, if you think about it. Oh, and it's messy. I cut 4 strawberries. Come on. What can you do? Hey, thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Fresh fruit ice cream? What's not like to like? What's not like to like? I can't say it. What's not to like? Hey, there you go.